101.1 Smart FM, the spirit of Indonesia. Welcome back to Smart Up Your Life with me, Muhammad Yusril Abidin, as the host tonight. Hi, smart listener. How are you today? Hopefully you are in a very good condition so you can join us in improving your English skill, especially in listening and speaking. And I'm not alone here. I'm already with BPEC Makassar. Hi guys.
Hi guys.
Hello guys.
Hello guys.
Yeah, as usual, the BPEC Makassar do collaboration with Smart FM Makassar. And tonight we are going to talk about vigilantism, or in
Yes.
bahasa we called main hakim
Main hakim
sendiri.
But before that, it's better to introduce one by one the speaker tonight. So
Yes,
maybe
of course. Maybe
start
I'm the
from
first. Yeah. So, hello. What call I said that guys or
smart listener.
smart listener? Okay, smart listener. My name is Nurul Oktaviani, but you can call me Via. I'm from Hasanuddin University, and I'm majoring French literature. And yeah, I hope you can listen to our topic tonight because it's really a good topic. So yeah, stand by on.
Smart
FM.
Yes.
Okay. Hi Via.
Hello.
Yeah.
Okay, next Kak.
Okay, smart listener. My name is Ahmad Aliandi. You can call me Rian. I finished my study in Satya University. Thank you.
Okay, hi Kak Rian.
Hello.
Karya.
Halo Kak Brian. Okay. Smart listener. I am Samantha. You guys can call me Sam. I'm majoring in English education at University State of Makassar.
Okay, hi Sam.
Hello Sam.
Hello, smart listener. My name is Hilki Salsabila, and you may call me Salsa. Just like Samantha, I am from State University of Makassar, and my major is English education. Okay, thank you.
Okay.
Hello,
hi,
Salsa.
Okay, before we move to the discussion session, maybe I think it's good if you introduce your communities to the smart listener. Probably Samantha can introduce.
Okay. Yep. So we are from BPEC. What is BPEC stand for? BPEC stand for Benteng Panynyua English Club. We are the NGO organization, non-profit organization, which is we provide a place, a good, and also places to everyone in Makassar who want to learn English. So we have like a lot of program. For example, our lovely Sunday meeting, which is there are like a class, or there are like a event in there.
Okay.
There are like there are ice breaking, debate, and discussion session, and also there are like games, ice breaking,
Okay.
and also the announcement.
Yes.
Is it free of charge?
Yes, of course, it's free for everyone, in every ages or every part. I mean every tingkatan ages. So you can join whether you are in high school, you are still in junior high school, elementary school, or even if you are in college. It's free, you guys, to join BPEC.
Okay, thank you very much, Samantha.
Yes.
Okay, smart listeners, so let's move to the discussion session, and we are going to talk about vigilantism, which is the terms that is used for people who judge or punish other people without following the rule or the law of our country. And I think that's very interesting because as we can see in a reality that there are a lot of cases that shows us about vigilantism. And probably I will start from Via. What do you think about vigilantism?
Alright. For me, vigilantism is a person who partakes in vigilantism or undertakes the retributive justice without legal authority or commission.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Any more?
I think now.
Do you think that vigilantism is part of our culture in Indonesia?
Yes, because there are a lot of cases of in our culture, in vigilantism. So yeah, it's being a part of our culture
Oh,
for
okay.
me.
Okay,
In
thank
my
you very much.
opinion.
Okay, yeah, thank you very much. So, how about you, Samantha? What do you think about vigilantism?
Oh, vigilantism, I think it's like just like Pia said before, that it's has been part of the society,
The
the
society.
behavior of society, which is the like a group of people who like punish or
Judge.
and judge someone not based on the rule, or she gets against the rule. So for example, they are doing like kekerasan, how to
Yeah.
say,
Violence.
violence
Violence.
towards others
Yes.
without. It's not legal.
Yeah.
It's illegal.
Legal.
I
It's
think. Yeah. I mean, that's all for me.
So is it totally bad, right?
Yes, of course. It's total bait for especially in Indonesia, because it always happens everywhere, like especially in Makassar.
Yeah, yeah,
You
yeah.
know.
Of course.
Yes.
Yeah. Thank you very much. So, how about you, Kak Brian?
Okay, talking about the vigilantism, like, in my opinion, vigilantism is a bad attitude, yeah.
Yes, of course, it's totally bad.
yeah, because we are judge people without
Any proof?
Yeah, without any rule,
Any proof?
any proof, and without any permission for the government.
Yeah.
Yes, and I think that this is the part of the, how to say, kebiasaan,
Behavior.
become
Yeah, you can say
behavior.
that it's
Yeah.
already become a culture in our
Yeah,
society.
become the
Yeah.
culture of
Which we
Indonesia.
we can call
Yeah.
culture.
Oh, Indonesia.
Yeah,
Okay, thank you very much.
yeah.
Kak.
Thank you.
Okay, so how about you, Salsa?
Just like your opinion, guys. Vigilantism is a group of people that taking place that they shouldn't be there. They punish someone. They punish someone with unofficial
Yes.
law,
Mhm.
and that's totally bad.
Mhm.
And yeah, that's it. That's it.
Yeah, it's
Yeah.
like it's against our human rights, right? Yeah.
Okay, so yeah, I can conclude that all of you guys, including me, that say that vigilantism is totally bad. It's
Yes.
not based on our law of our country. So let's talk about your experience. Maybe you ever seen saw something that contain vigilantism in your society or in your surrounding. Maybe start from you, Samantha.
Okay. Have I heard or have I seen? Yes, of course. Like there's like experience when I was like in Sudiang.
Oh, Sudiang.
So
Okay.
my father seller as a seller, and in front of my eyes there is like a grabber, how to say, perampokan, copet,
Okay.
copet in front of me,
Okay.
and also
Just
she
like
is a woman,
thief.
who
Yeah.
who do the like pencopetan, and then she was get cuffed by
Yeah.
by someone, and
Uh-huh.
also there are like
People.
the people come and doing like the vigilantism.
Oh.
Yeah, like
Because he's getting
sniping the
robbed.
goal. Yes,
Yeah.
she get like punch, and also
Another,
violence.
Let's say
Another
Yeah,
violence.
from the people around there.
But
So-
is that person dead or
No.
just
Oh.
there's a police. So the police going there to mengamankan, how to say, how to
Yeah.
save
Yeah.
the
that
environment.
person?
Yeah, the person.
Yeah.
So what do you think about the case? Like the men do a mistake,
Yeah.
let's say something bad, and then the society punish the men because of that thing, that stuff. So what do you think when you saw the case?
I think I sometimes like it's like the apa adil, like
Fair.
yeah, I feel
Fair.
like I feel sorry for the someone who is getting grabbed or who is getting like kecopetan because
Yeah, robbed.
because they have hard work for get money, and then
Yeah.
someone
Yeah.
take it from you.
Yeah.
You have
Really
Yeah.
disappointed and
Yeah.
angry.
the like bloods
And, yeah.
have been put in your, for example, in handphone.
Yeah,
There's always like someone who grab the other's phone, and also I think I feel sorry for the victims.
For the victims.
Yeah, for the victims, and I think I always think like it's like syukurin apa to say, like
It's your fault.
Yeah, it's
So
your fault.
You get
So-
what you
Yeah,
do.
yeah,
You're
they do.
supposed to get the
Yeah, I think I sometimes think
Sometimes
that,
they are pro with that
Yeah,
kind
pro
of
with that
vigilantism.
thing.
Yeah.
because of the violence.
But when the vigilantism ends to like there like blood or someone's
Yeah.
dead, I don't know. I feel
Yeah,
like
this feel this
traumatized
angry.
because we think like maybe there is something why that person do pencopetan like
Yeah,
that, or
rob.
grab something with,
Okay.
someone
Yeah.
things, so they do that. For example, the like problem with their family
Yeah.
or their economic, so they do that.
Okay, thank you very much, Samantha. And
Yeah.
for smart listener, don't go anywhere. We will back after.